Okay, if you got a cooking kit, this is going to be your first week cooking kit. It's going to be a little container like this. It says W1R, which meant week one refrigerate. And that is what you are going to start with. That was in those little containers was just a non-fat or plain yogurt. It doesn't have to be non-fat. It's just a plain yogurt. Basically, we're using it as a starter to make our own yogurt so that it has the cultures that we want in there to create our own yogurt. So those are the things, or this is what you got in the kit if you got the kit. The things that you are going to have to provide for yourself is going to be milk, and it can be any kind of milk. It can be a whole milk, 2%, 1%, or even skim. You're also going to need some honey. And then optionally, you are going to need, for this lab, there's a couple things you're going to need. Just a saucepan with sides enough to hold the amount of milk that you're going to need. You do need a thermometer. Now here I have two different thermometers. This one's a candy thermometer, which is preferred just because it hooks onto your pot. But if you don't have that, that's okay. You can use a regular thermometer and find a way to hook it onto your pot as well. So that would be option one, and that's just fine. If you happen to have an Instant Pot, you can do this in an Instant Pot, and that is not cheating at all. It's just using your technology. The Instant Pot has a little yogurt button right here, which works really well. You can kind of set it and forget it. But either way is going to work. And you are actually going to need another bowl here. I forgot to get that out to put the yogurt in, which you will see when we actually do the steps here and I show you how to do this lab. This first video is going to be on the Instant Pot. So if you're doing it in an Instant Pot, make sure it is clean. Then you are going to simply add the 2 tablespoons of yogurt and the 8 cups of milk into your Instant Pot. And please give it a stir. I'm not giving it a stir in this video, but you need to stir it. Then you just need to come down and hit the yogurt button. It's going to say 8 on there. That is perfect. It's going to set it for 8 hours. You could put it for more or less, but you don't really need to. Put the lid on, and then it doesn't matter if your vent is closed or open on this one. It's just, the lid is just to help it heat. And then it's going to start from 0, and it is going to count upward. At the end here, you saw what the yogurt is going to look like when it is done. You simply take the lid off, it should be set, and then you can put it in your refrigerator until it is cool.